Welcome! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add text to your images in Photopea in just a few easy steps. To get started, look at the toolbar on the left and select the Type tool, which looks like a capital T. You can also simply press T on your keyboard. Once the Text tool is selected, click anywhere on your canvas where you'd like the text to appear and start typing. You'll see your text appear instantly on the canvas. Now let's make it look just right. You can adjust the font size and color from the toolbar at the top. When you're happy with everything, click the check mark at the top to apply your changes. To move the text, switch to the Move tool at the top of the toolbar, then drag your text into place. For quick resizing, use the Move tool. To rotate the text, hover near the text until your cursor changes to a double-ended arrow. Click and drag to rotate, or enter a specific degree angle in the angle box at the top. When you're happy with everything, click the check mark at the top to apply your changes. Many of the fonts don't have a built-in bold version. However, you can still bold the text. Just go to Character on the right side menu and use Faux Bold to give your text extra weight. And that's it. Now you know how to add and style text in Photopea. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.